students. In this session, let us learn about mirror formula and magnification. We already learned spherical mirrors and its image formation. And now that you know to draw the ray diagrams to obtain the image characteristics. Instead of drawing this ray diagram, you can apply these formulas directly and find out the image characteristics. Let us learn about these formulas. We all know that in Cartesian coordinate system, this is the origin, that is 0. Towards the right of the origin, the numbers are positive, and towards the left of the origin, the numbers are negative. And upwards, the numbers are positive. Downwards, the numbers are negative. Let this be a concave mirror and P be its pole. All the distances are measured from this pole. Consider this pole as the origin. The distances towards the right of this pole will be taken positive, and the distances towards the left of this pole will be taken negative. And the distances upward will be taken positive and downward will be taken negative. Same like in the Cartesian coordinate system. The incident light ray will be always in this direction. The light ray falls on the concave mirror like this. The object is kept above the principal axis and hence the height will be positive. And the image, if it is inverted, the height will be negative. The object is kept on the left side of the mirror, this side. Therefore, the object distance u will be always negative. As the mirror formula and magnification are very sensitive to sign, the sign convention is very important. The ray diagrams are drawn such that the incident light rays travel from left to right. Always the incident light ray will be in this direction. And all distances are measured from the pole. Treat the pole as the origin. And all distances measured in the direction of the incident light will be positive. That is, in this direction it will be positive, and all distances measured in the opposite direction it will be negative. And heights measured upward and perpendicular to the principal axis will be positive. Heights measured downward and perpendicular to the principal axis is negative. These are the sign conventions. Now let us learn the mirror formula and magnification. What is mirror formula? Mirror formula gives you the relationship between focal length f, object distance u, and the image distance v of a spherical mirror. The relationship is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, where f is the focal length, v is the image distance, and u is the object distance. This relationship is applicable for both concave and convex mirrors. This is a concave mirror, and the distance between the object, if this is the object, the distance between the object and the pole of the mirror is called the object distance, and you will use the letter u to represent the object distance. What is v? V is the image distance. Image distance is the distance between the image. This is the image. Therefore, this distance, the distance between the image and the pole of the mirror, this is the pole of the mirror, is known as the image distance represented by the letter v. What is focal length? Focal length is the distance between the principal focus and the pole of the mirror. This is the focus and this is the pole, and the relationship is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Please remember the sign convention when you apply this formula. What is magnification? Magnification gives you the relative extent of the image size to the object size. It is denoted by the letter m. M is expressed as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. H dash is the height of the image and h is the height of the object. We keep the object always above the principal axis. Therefore, h will be positive. H is the height of this object. We know that the virtual images are erect and hence it is above the principal axis, and h dash in that case it will be positive. Therefore, m is equal to h dash by h. H dash is positive and h is positive. For virtual images, you have positive magnification. Also, we know that the real images are inverted. In that case, the height is below the principal axis. H dash will be negative. M is equal to h dash by h. Since h dash is negative, m is negative in the case of real images. M is also related to the image distance and object distance by this relationship. M is equal to minus V by U, where U is the object distance and V is the image distance. Magnification is the ratio of the size of the image to the size of the object. H dash by H and M is equal to minus V by U. In this class, we learned about mirror formula and magnification. Mirror formula is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. And magnification M is H dash by H or minus V by U. These formulas are very sensitive to sign. Therefore, remember the sign conventions. For the case of a mirror, you must consider this pole as the origin, and towards the right side the numbers must be positive, towards the left side the numbers must be negative, and above the principal axis it should be positive and below the principal axis it should be negative. With this mirror formula and magnification, you can obtain the image characteristics. In the next session, we will do a numerical based on this mirror formula and magnification. See you.